In this lesson, we'll explore some ways to integrate ChatGPT into your daily workflow to take your productivity to the next level. We'll be using Chrome extensions to extend the current capabilities of ChatGPT. You'll find a link to the Google Chrome Web Store in the hub if you need it. Let's get started. This free extension adds relevant web results to ChatGPT for more accurate and up-to-date conversations. To install, visit the Google Chrome Web Store and search for WebChatGPT, all one word. Choose this extension. You'll see a quick explainer video and a description below. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome and enable the extension. ChatGPT will reload with new options at the bottom of the screen. From left to right, you can toggle web access on and off. Choose how many results from the top 10 you want ChatGPT to analyze. Choose the time period, from any time to past day, past week, past month, or past year, and then set the region if applicable. Let's ask ChatGPT about Google Bard, as we know this is something it doesn't contain in its training data, so it will need to access the web for information. What is Google Bard?
Google Bard is an experimental conversation AI chatbot developed by Google. It is a large language model that was trained on a massive dataset of text and code to generate human-like text responses.
Note that we get references with the response, showing us where it got the information from, and we can click any reference to access the source. The next useful extension is ChatGPT Sidebar. As the name implies, this extension provides ChatGPT on your sidebar, which can act as your personal AI assistant. To install, visit the Google Chrome Web Store and search for ChatGPT Sidebar. Choose this extension. You'll see a quick explainer video and a description below. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome and enable the extension. You'll see a suggestion to pin the extension to your toolbar so you can access it quickly whenever you want. I'm going to do just that. Now let's do a Google search. You'll note that I now have a widget on the right side which gives me ChatGPT's output to the query alongside the search engine results. This is particularly handy when searching for specific answers. You can also switch to keywords to questions to find out popular questions on this topic.
What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence.
And you can get related keywords.
Machine learning, natural language processing, neural networks, robotics, deep learning, cognitive computing, etc.
Now let's visit a website. I've chosen a complex article on IBM's website. Let's activate the ChatGPT extension. I'm going to select the Summarize prompt from the drop-down menu. Then I'll click Submit.
Artificial intelligence is when people make computer programs that can think and solve problems on their own. It's like making a robot that can do things by itself.
You can see the summary is very simply worded. That's because the prompt default is set to second grader. You can change that to anything you want. Choosing a reading level is also helpful. I'm going to change it to graduate and click Submit again.
Artificial intelligence is the science and engineering of creating intelligent machines, including computer programs. The concept of AI was introduced by Alan Turing in 1950.
Now I get a summary that's more suited to a graduate. Now I'll choose the Translate prompt. Let's change the language to Catalan and click Submit. The output is now a translation of the page into Catalan. Other handy prompts include Rewrite and Explain. Let's choose Explain. I'll submit the prompt.
The article explains the concept of artificial intelligence and its history. It defines AI as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines.
And now I get an explanation of the article. The next useful extension is AIPRM. This is a library of curated one-click prompt templates for ChatGPT. The prompt categories include SEO and SaaS. To install, visit the Google Chrome Web Store and search for AIPRM. Choose this extension. You'll see a quick explainer video and a description below. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome and enable the extension. You'll see the option to connect the extension to your OpenAI account. Once you go through the sign-up process, you'll end up at the prompt library. The public tab contains all the publicly available prompts. Access to the other tabs requires a premium subscription. You can choose from a range of topics, and then you can set the activity within that topic. Let's run with an example. I'll choose Marketing from the Categories drop-down, and then I'll choose Research from the Activities drop-down. We have a few prompt templates to choose from here. I'm going to select the Generate Buyer Persona prompt. At the bottom, I have a few options. I can set the language. I can set the tone to either default or emotional. Access to other tones requires a premium subscription. I can set the writing style to either default or poetic. Again, access to other styles requires a premium subscription. And finally, we're required to enter the product we're selling and the location of our target audience. I'm going to type SEO courses for clients worldwide. Let's submit.
Name, Emily. Gender, female. Age, 27. Location, London, UK. Relationship status, single. Emily is a marketing professional working at a digital agency. She is responsible for managing the online presence of various clients and ensuring their websites rank high in search engines.
Here we have a customer avatar based on our input. And you can regenerate the output to create a new customer avatar. And here's a bonus tip. You can leave the category and activity set to all to see all the prompts in the library sorted by the most upvoted. This shows you the most popular prompts in the entire library. Those are three very useful extensions. WebChatGPT and ChatGPT Sidebar bring the power of ChatGPT to your browser, and AIPRM gives you a ton of proven prompts to get you moving fast. In the next lesson, we'll look at some of the legal and ethical considerations we need to be aware of when it comes to generating AI content. I'll see you there.